Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be opening up 12 Vivid Voltage Vulture packs. Our goal is to get either a full art or a hyper rare Pikachu. And I believe there's a lot of other hyper rares I haven't pulled from this set and full arts, so we could still continue the searches. Here's the code card. We have a water type energy, B trainer card, Giraffe Rig, Moo Moo Cheese, Dedenne, Drillbur, Oshawott, Duskull, Feral Seed, Reverse Hollow is an Excadrill, which is uncommon, and a Metagross non-hollow. Alright, on to the next pack with the root artwork. Here's the code card. For the front, we have Electric type energy, Galvantula, Go-Go, Windell Stadium, Mudbray, Poochyena, Charmander, Chatot, Joltik, Reverse Hollow is a Wooper, and a Pikachu V. Alright, not a bad pull. It is a duplicate, but it's a duplicate that I don't mind pulling. Nice Pikachu V in the background. So our first Ultra Rare. Right, on to the next pack. It'd be nice to pull some amazing rares too. And open Vivid Voltage in maybe a little bit. Kind of hard to find Vivid Voltage packs in stores at the moment. We have a Lightning type energy, Galvantula, Swallow, Wash Energy, Chatot, Joltik, Cottony, Mudbray, Slugma, Reverse Hollow is a Garbodor, which is a rare, and a Alakazam V full art. Okay, so that is a great pull. I have not pulled this on the channel, so nice one to add to the collection, and another one to check off the list. Looks in really good condition. Nice full art V Alakazam. Alright, put that in the background. On to the next pack art. Or next pack in general. Really happy with that Alakazam pull. Here's the code card. Here's a Fire type energy, Aromatic energy, Galvantula, Swallow, Joltik, Cottony, Mudbray, Slugma, Whismur, Reverse Hollow is a Hitmo on top, and a Fortress non-hollow rare. There you go. Right, on to the next pack. I think we should be getting maybe close to halfway. Let's see how many packs we have after this one. Here's the code card. 4 to the front. We have a Lightning type energy, League Staff, Charmeleon, Pincurchin, Execute, Woobat, Beldum, Blitzel, Milcery, Reverse Hollow is a Ferrothorn, which is an uncommon, and a Leonhard holographic. Surprisingly, I have not pulled this holographic yet, so that's a good pull. It'd be nice to pull the full art Leon Trainer card. Alright, we have, well, after this one pack, we'll be halfway through. Yeah, if we get the Leon full art, that would be nice. I think that's a pretty tough card to pull. Here's the code card. We have a Grass type energy, Macargo, Nessa, Swallow, Choodle, Riolu, Chimecho, Nincada, Voltorb, Reverse Hollow is a Ferrothorn again, and a Metagross non-hollow rare. And I believe the Nessa in this set is actually pretty valuable, so that would be a nice pull too. Alright, here's the code card. Alright, we have a Lightning type energy, Careless, Dusclops, Electric, Pikipek, Choodle, Riolu, Chimecho, Nincada, Memory Capsule, and a Whimsicott. Alright, on to the next pack art with Zarude on it. I don't believe we pulled the Zarude full art yet. I know we pulled the Zarude V, but I'm not sure if there even is a full art now that I'm talking about it. There might not be. We have a Fire type energy, Charmeleon, Pincurchin, Telescopic Sight, Skidoo, Shuppet, Ferroseed, Joltik, Sandile, Electros is a reverse rare, okay, and a Colossal V. Alright, not too bad. I have pulled this one before, but it is another V card, so can't complain. And all of these were single pack blisters, so the odds could either be really good or really bad. Alright, on to the next pack. Alright, here's the code card. 4 to the front. We have a Lightning type energy, Psychic type energy, Delmise, Galarian Stunfisk, Aromatic energy, Whismur, Trubbish, Tynamo, Clobbopus, Woobat, Xerxes Bat is a reverse hollow, and a Colossal V again. 2 packs in a row. Alright then, that's not the best, but it is 2 ultra rares in a row, so I can't really complain about that. That's the best pull so far. Alright. 2 Celebi packs and 1 Pikachu pack left. We'll save the Pikachu one for last. Hopefully we get some last pack magic from it. Alright, here is the code card. 4 to the front. We have a Fighting type energy, Loudred, Zebstrika, Coating Metal energy, Eevee, looks pretty nice, Weedle, Drillbur, Clefairy, Wailmer, Galarian Stunfisk is a reverse hollow, and a Manectric non-hollow rare. Alright, 2 more packs to go. And after those 2 packs, I will actually probably open this Blastoise V battle bed deck. And I actually haven't opened a battle deck on the channel before. I thought I opened this one just because I really do like the Blastoise card from inside, and I want to add it to the collection. I might get another one just to keep sealed. But I haven't opened one, so I thought I'd show it off on the channel. We have a Psychic type energy, Duat, Ferrothorn, Careless, Riolu, Sandile, Wailmer, Weedle, Beldum, Vampy, and a Zygarde hollow rare. That is a pretty cool hollow rare. It looks like some giant Power Ranger machine. I can't remember where that's from. There's something with the 4 cannons like that from back in the day. Alright, on to the last pack. Here is the code card. We have 4 to the front. We have a Grass type energy, Hero's Metal, Galarian Stunfisk, Sableye, Tynamo, Execute, Chatot, Clobbopus, Skidoo, Giraffrig is a reverse hollow. And a Orbital V. Alright, not too bad. We do end with the Ultra Rare. Unfortunately, we didn't get the Pikachu VMAX Hyper Rare or the Full Art, but we did manage to get the Full Art Alakazam, 2 Colossal Vs back to back, Leonhard Holographic, Pikachu V, Orbital V, and the Zygarde Hollow that looks oddly familiar for me for some reason. Alright, let's actually get into this deck box real quick. Don't think there's too much in it, so here's the back. And here we'll find a 60 card deck, 3 reference cards, a rule book, a playmat, 1 coin, deck box, strategy guide, and a code card. And here is the set list. Alright, I'll actually give out the code card. Oh, that's a really cool Blastoise coin. Really glad I opened this. Do not have a coin like that. Alright, let's get this in a sleeve. Alright, I really like this Blastoise artwork actually. And if you haven't figured out all the Blastoise and stuff in the background, Blastoise is my favorite card, Pokemon, in general. And the Squirtle is my favorite line. So really happy having this card in my collection now. But let's show off what else comes in here. Here is the code card for the Blastoise V Battle Deck. Here's a nice little deck box. And I'll go through the cards real quick. A lot of water type energies. Trainer cards, Sharpedo, Gym Trainer, Carvana, Dreadnought, Joodle, Hop, B, a lot of trainers. Dan, I don't know which set this is from. I think that's Darkness Ablaze. Or maybe it's Vivid Voltage actually. Barraskewda, Arrokuda. Okay, so it's like a full water themed deck. Sonia, Volcanion. Anything interesting? Another Dan, which I've never seen before. Capacious Bucket. I haven't seen this before. Alright, so that's not too bad. Really kind of like the deck box that has a Blastoise artwork on it. So I'm gonna kind of keep that to the side. And what else comes in here? Let's get this coin out. It's really cool Blastoise coin. Nice one to add to the collection. This is the description of what you can do, or quick little strategy guide. These are damage counters and everything for the game. The V Battle deck. How to use the deck. This is the playmat. No, this is the playmat actually. This is another description of the deck. And that is basically what comes in the decks boxes. Normally don't open them since we know what the cards are. But I really wanted to open this one just because I wanted to have the Blastoise card outside of the box in my collection. It is a really nice card. If you guys actually like this, maybe I'll open up the Venusaur one on camera too. If not, I'll probably might open it up off camera. But if you guys do want me to open it up on camera, let me know in the comments. If you guys enjoy the video, leave a like, hit the subscribe button if you want more content, if you like the content, and let me know if you guys would like something else. All right, take care.